Migratory birds. Hey Ollie! We are planning to go to a hill station during our summer vacation. I'm so excited! In summer, it becomes very hot over here. It'll be nice and cool on a hill station. Ollie, do you know that some birds fly long distances every year? Some birds fly from a very cold place to a warmer one. This is called as migration. Some birds fly long distances because food and water from a particular place becomes less. Birds migrate in search of good weather, food and water. Siberian cranes. Siberian cranes migrate from very cold weather to warmer weather. Flamingo, spotted red shank, comb duck, pelican.